Ever wondered if those sports supplements gulped down by athletes are truly the secret sauce to their peak performance? Supplements are almost synonymous with sports, a constant companion of athletes, a backstage magic potion, if you will. They've become prevalent, but what's the real deal? In this journey, we'll unravel the effects of these supplements, breaking them down into 7 key impacts. From energy-boosting power to improved focus and beyond, let's delve into the world of sports supplements and their impact on athletes. First up, the most sought-after effect, energy boost. We all want a little extra pep in our step, but for athletes, it's crucial. So how do sports supplements play their part? They're like the secret sauce in a world-class recipe, providing a significant lift to energy levels. This enables athletes to push their boundaries, train harder, and go longer. Imagine a marathon runner hitting that infamous wall but then finding an extra gear. That's the energy-boosting power we're talking about. It's not magic, it's science. Ingredients like caffeine, often found in pre-workout supplements, stimulate the nervous system, enhancing alertness and reducing fatigue. And let's not forget B vitamins, the energy powerhouses. They help convert our food into fuel, keeping our engines running smoothly. These ingredients and others like them are the unsung heroes of the athletic world, quietly powering extraordinary feats of endurance and strength. So next time you see an athlete going the extra mile, you know what might be fueling them. But what about those sculpted muscles? How do they grow and recover so quickly? Let's delve into this. The secret is in the protein, the building blocks of our muscles. When we exercise, we're essentially causing damage to our muscle fibers. But don't worry, it's a good kind of damage, a kind that, when repaired, leads to stronger, larger muscles. Now, this is where protein supplements step into the spotlight. They provide the body with the necessary amino acids to repair and build those muscle fibers. The quicker the repair, the faster athletes can get back in the game. This is particularly crucial for those who train intensively on a regular basis. Moreover, these supplements are often consumed post-workout, a golden period for muscle recovery. This is when our bodies are like sponges, ready to soak up all those nutrients for optimal growth and recovery. Muscle recovery and growth, another secret unveiled. Ever wondered why athletes don't crumble under intense training sessions? It's all in the hydration, folks. Electrolyte supplements play a major role here. They maintain hydration levels in athletes, keeping them from becoming as dry as a desert on a hot day. These clever little chaps prevent fatigue and those nasty muscle cramps during long-duration workouts. They're like your own personal pit stop, refueling you on the go. So remember, when it comes to endurance, it's not just about the sweat, it's about what you replenish. Hydration, a not-so-secret weapon in an athlete's arsenal. Remember that last-second goal or the perfect shot? Was it just luck or something more? There's an often overlooked aspect of sports performance, the mental game. It's not all about muscle, it's also about focus, concentration, and quick decision-making. Supplements can play a role here too. Certain elements can enhance these cognitive abilities, giving athletes that extra edge they need. Take omega-3 fatty acids, for example. They're not just good for your heart, they can also improve brain function and mental clarity. Then there's ginkgo biloba, an ancient plant extract known for its cognitive benefits. It's said to increase blood flow to the brain, potentially improving focus and concentration. These aren't magic pills, mind you, they're tools, aids to complement a balanced diet and rigorous training regime. But when used properly, they can make that split-second difference between victory and defeat. The mind is indeed a powerful tool in sports, especially when boosted by the right supplements. Ever wondered why athletes often have stronger bones and healthier joints than most? Well, let's dive into the secret sauce. Sports supplements. These aren't your everyday vitamin gummies. They're specifically tailored to meet the rigorous demands of an athlete's body. Take calcium, for instance. It's not just for strong teeth, it's the building block of our bones, and athletes need it in spades to maintain their bone density and strength. Then there's vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, which aids in calcium absorption. Without it, calcium might just pass through the body unused. And let's not forget glucosamine. This little-known supplement is a game-changer for joint health. It aids in the repair and maintenance of cartilage, the cushion between our bones. This helps prevent bone-on-bone friction, reducing the risk of joint injuries. You see, these supplements are not just about performance. They're about longevity, preventing injuries and keeping athletes at their best for longer. Strong bones and healthy joints, another piece of the athlete's puzzle. So there you have it. The secret sauce isn't so secret after all. Let's have a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit the 7 incredible effects of sports supplements that we've unearthed today. Firstly, we explored the energy-boosting power of supplements. They're like the turbo button on a race car, giving athletes that extra push when they need it most. But remember, it's not all about the turbo, the driver matters too. Next up, we delved into how these supplements aid muscle growth and recovery. Think of them as a pit crew in a race, helping to repair and rebuild your body, ensuring you're ready to take on the next challenge. Thirdly, we discussed the overlooked yet vital role of enhanced hydration. Supplements can be like a personal water bearer, helping you stay hydrated and keep the engine running smoothly. Moving on, we looked into how sports supplements can improve focus and concentration. They're akin to a GPS, guiding athletes to stay on track and helping them maintain peak performance. Our 5th point highlighted the importance of bone and joint health. Supplements are like a shield, offering protection to these essential body parts and helping athletes stay in the game for longer. And finally, we emphasized that supplements are just a part of the equation. They're not a magic bullet, but a tool in the athlete's arsenal. They can help push the boundaries, but they don't replace the blood, sweat, and tears that go into every training session. Remember, supplements are just a part of the equation. Hard work, determination, and a balanced diet, they're the real game changers. The true champions are those who understand this balance and strive to maintain it. So whether you're a weekend warrior or an Olympic hopeful, remember that these supplements can provide a helping hand. But it's your dedication, your perseverance, your grit that will ultimately dictate your success. Until next time, keep pushing your limits. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, the only thing standing between you and your goals is the work you're willing to put in. See you on the flip side.